Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are doing something really exciting. We are making organically thin chocolate protein bars. They are delicious and they're healthy. I had a friend of mine come and pick them up 3 times. One time her husband came late at night because he was really in the mood for them. That's how delicious and addicting they are. So easy to make. Here we go. What we have here, we have 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin seeds and 3/4 of a cup of sunflower seeds. I have them soaking in water. I'm going to rinse them and throw them into my Vitamix. So let's begin. We're gonna start with our sunflower. Just give it a quick rinse. Get rid of some of the moisture. You don't want them to be too wet, so if you wanted to, you could lay them out on a paper towel, but I'm just gonna press out some of the moisture. Okay, so sunflower seeds are done. Pumpkin seeds, give them a little rinse. And I'm gonna just dry them a little bit. They're not sopping wet. Okay, so we have our seeds. We're gonna also add some hemp seed for protein. 3 tablespoons of flaxmeal. If you have the seeds, that's fine, throw those in. Perfect. I have here for our sweetness some dates that have been soaking in some warm water. So we're just gonna squeeze them and the pits will come out. Make sure you take them out. So I have 6 medjool dates here that I'm throwing in. Taking the pits out quickly. These are just delicious. And they give it such a nice caramelly, gooey texture as well. It's really good. Okay, now we're going to add in some coconut oil. We're gonna add in 3 tablespoons. Ooh, there we go. Of organic cold pressed coconut oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay. A little bit of raw honey for extra delicious sweetness. Oh my goodness, everything is so tight today. Here we go. Okay, so a tablespoon of that. And raw honey is such a good energy booster also, full of all kinds of great nutrients. Okay, so we want them to be nice and chocolatey, so we're gonna add 2 big tablespoons of cacao. This is the raw cacao. This is not cocoa powder. It's rich in antioxidants. It's so good for us. So I'm gonna do 2 nice, beautiful heaping tablespoons of that. Oops, I made a little mess here. Okay, and some organic unsweetened coconut. We're gonna add about a 1/2 cup. You can add a little more, maybe 3/4 of a cup. There's our 1/2 cup measure. Okay, I think I'm just gonna add a pinch more. And also, I happen to really like this protein powder. I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of this hemp protein powder. And that's it, guys. We're just gonna put a pinch of sea salt, zip it up in our Vitamix, and that's it. So, here we go. This is going to be a little bit loud. Here we go. Oop. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we have blended everything up. That's all you have to do. Dump it in, zip it up, and now we're gonna go over here and make our bars. So, oh, it smells so good, guys. It smells like coconut and chocolate. You just wanna scoop everything out. All of this delicious chocolatey goodness out of here. Okay. There's a little more left, but you know what? I'll leave that for later. I'll eat that myself. Okay. So. Okay, so I have scooped everything out of the Vitamix and I put it here on my parchment paper and I put another piece of parchment paper on top and just smoothed it out with my hand. If you want, you could use a rolling pin. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them. These are really delicious. I promise you that. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna trim this one and eat this one right now. This will be for myself. Like a caramel-y fudge. And it tastes like coconut and chocolate. Very good. Delicious. So, cut them in any shape you want. Then I like to actually sprinkle them with a little bit of coarse salt. And then I just layer them between parchment paper. You could easily just take a little bit, roll it in a ball, and you have a chocolate truffle, if you prefer to do that. I do it like this. I layer them between parchment. I put them in little bags, and I freeze them. And you could take them on the go. Just be aware that if it's warm, they will soften up. But they're perfect refrigerated or in the freezer. Delicious. I think you guys are going to love these. Really, really love these. They're excellent.